Hi Zulily, I'm Ori and today I'm going to be making some cheesecake egg rolls in my air fryer. Alright, so to start off, you're going to take a medium bowl and stir in a half cup of cream cheese until it's smooth. Next, you're going to add 4 teaspoons of either honey or agave just to sweeten up the cream cheese. If you wanted to add any kind of extracts like almond extract or coconut extract, this would be the time to do that, and you can mix it into the cream cheese mixture as well. I'm not going to add any extracts or anything, but I will add about a teaspoon of cinnamon. Next, you're gonna take about 1.5 tablespoons of this filling and scoop it into the center of either a wonton wrapper or an egg roll wrapper, whatever you have. Then you're gonna moisten the wrapper's edges with water or egg wash, and then fold up the bottom corner up over the filling, keeping it really snug, and then rolling it up to look like an egg roll. I'm gonna add some fig preserves. This recipe is really customizable, so you can add in any kind of fruit filling that you want. Cherry pie filling, canned fruit, even chocolate or caramel, whatever you want to add to this. Repeat this process until you've gotten through all of the filling, and then you're gonna take the egg roll and spray it with non-stick spray. Take your egg rolls and put them in one single layer in the air fryer cooking basket. We have it set to around 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's gonna cook from 3 to 4 minutes. When the egg rolls are done cooking, you're gonna wanna pop them out of the air fryer, and this would be the time that you would wanna add any powdered sugar or chocolate sauce, but you would wanna let them cool before you add anything like whipped cream. And it's just that easy. Thanks for watching me make these cheesecake egg rolls. Put a comment down below of your favorite air fryer recipe so we know what to make next time. Happy frying!